America is at it again. It seems ukuthi the US is about to go to war ne-Venezuela. Yangithola? So for the past couple of months, America has been bombing ama-boats from Venezuela. Claiming ukuthi lawo ma-boats lawo are transporting ama-drugs to America from Venezuela. Yabo? Not only is America claiming ukuthi those boats are transporting drugs, it claims ukuthi even the president of Venezuela is involved in this drug trafficking ring. You understand? Therefore, it seems ukuthi America is planning a regime change in Venezuela. You understand? Because recently it deployed 10,000 soldiers to the coast of Venezuela. Izolo, it deployed an aircraft carrier. You understand? And it deployed a war. No ship, you understand? So this war or this battle has been going on for a couple of months, couple of weeks, yabo. Mara bengabi into enkulu because uTrump bekabhizi nje akhuluma ama-threats, yabo. But recently he said the K word, yabo. Uthe uzoya eVenezuela and he will K everyone, you understand? Kusho ukuthi uTrump is ready to escalate lempile, you understand? So rumor has it ukuthi they are planning a regime change, yabo, mebafika eVenezuela. Mara that is not just to change a regime, yabo. It's not just about drugs, yabo. Venezuela has the largest oil reserves in the world, yabo. So that ama analyst athi that is about the oil Venezuela, yabo. Ukuthi uTrump ufuna ukufika lapha ayenze a regime change khona le oil le in which was nationalized ngo 1998 during the socialist revolution in Venezuela. Ukuthi le oil le in which Venezuela is using to benefit ama-citizen wayo, i-US ifuna ukuyithatha and privatize yonke lento leyo, you understand? Because obviously you know ukuthi America is a dictatorship, yabo. America nama-Americans kahle America is a country, is a dictatorship kumhlaba wonke, yabo. But because ba-control media, ba-control everything, so amagama athi dictatorship namagama athi dictatorship particularly awafiki to ama-Europeans, yabo. Aphelela kithi la e-East or in the Southern Hemisphere, yabo. Like American mfethu izofike iqale le war le and the war will go on. I-ICJ ngeke izisho next, the UN maybe nga-complainer, but nothing will happen, and America knows ukuthi nothing will happen, yabo. Like America is a bully bafethu, it's a dictatorship state, you understand? And they use wonke lama-tools lanka abo-ICJ wonke lama-tools lanka to silence us, yabo. Ukuthi so i-ICJ or so a-UN is complaining ukuthi the US is starting a war, but ayikho into ezoyenzeka because i-US